1. Prepare 1 MATIC Mainnet for gas fee. 2. Prepare the equal amount of KOM and MATIC. Let's say $10 in KOM and $10 in MATIC, so your total liquidity on KOM/MATIC is $20. 3. Go to APE-LP.finance and connect your wallet. Make sure you are at MATIC Mainnet. 4. Navigate to Liquidity section. 5. Tap on Add Liquidity. 6. At the top option choose MATIC and the bottom choose KOM. 7. Input your MATIC balance and KOM balance, which will be automatically calculated. 8. Tap Confirm Adding Liquidity and proceed Confirm Supply. 9. Optional, you can speed up the transaction by increasing the gwei, for example, 5-10 units. 10. Add your LP tokens into your wallet by using this token contract address. 11. Now navigate to polycrystal.finance. 12. Go to Mines and find KOM and MATIC. 13. Click Enable Approve Transaction and then stake LP and sign the transaction. Speed up the transaction by increasing your gwei for 5-10 units. 14. Now you are officially a farmer of KOM and MATIC yield farming and earn Crystal. 15. Every time you earn Crystal, you can also navigate to pools, stake your Crystal, and earn some other coins, including KOM.